By the end of this video, you should know what an impeller is and why it's important. Also, you can determine if you should replace it yourself or have a shop do it for you. Your engine is designed to run around 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. If your engine gets too hot, bad things happen. Similar to a car's engine, it needs to keep cool. In your car, you have a closed cooling system where coolant or antifreeze runs through the system. On your boat, you have a cooling system that uses the lake water to cool the engine. Here's your boat. Here's the lake. Here's your hot engine, and here's your impeller. An impeller is a cylindrical rubber piece with fins or vanes on it. The impeller is spun by a belt on your engine. When the impeller is spun, it creates suction and it sucks water up from the lake. The water enters through a grate underneath your boat. It then goes around the engine block and cools it down. The system then expels the water out through the exhaust. With a constant flow of cool lake water, your engine is able to keep cool. If you're getting value from this video, please subscribe so I can continue to help you be a better boater. Over time, an impeller will break down and won't suck up water from the lake. When you don't have lake water running by your engine, it gets too hot and can overheat. Impellers can even fall apart, making pieces get lodged in your cooling system and causing problems for you and your boat. Wah, wah, wah. That is why, generally, impellers need to be changed every 100 hours. For most people, that works out to be about every other season. Again, change your impeller every 100 hours. If you recently purchased the boat and don't know when the impeller was changed, you need to change it. If you don't remember when the impeller was changed last, you need to change it. If you want to start this season off right, you need to change it. It's a fairly inexpensive part that plays a big role in the health of your engine. Impellers cost around $25 to $65. Pro tip, keep your old impeller on the boat with you as a spare. It's pretty simple to change an impeller yourself. At the most, a couple hours of work and you could have it changed. Remove a belt, loosen some bolts, voila! You have it changed out. If you don't feel capable, you should take it to a local shop. In Idaho, I recommend Idaho Water Sports, and in Arizona, I recommend Action Water Sports. An impeller change will run you around $200 to $400, depending on make, model, and engine of your boat. Now you should know what an impeller is, why it is important, and determine if you need to change it. These videos will be coming out in the coming weeks. Click right here if you need to learn how to change an impeller in your Axis T22 with a Monsoon 409 engine. Click right here if you need to know how to change an impeller in a Nautique with a GT40 engine. Also, you can subscribe right here.